Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Salsa and Bachata, my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're gonna do some nice footwork that comes from the Pachanga world. And I also have a very sweet offer, my Pachanga 26 videos download. All right, let's get started with these two samples, which are full steps, of course. And excuse these funny shoes. I literally put 1.5 size bigger than I have, because I want you to see better the detail. Okay, let's show the first step, which is a complete full step, just like the other one, to get a very good taste of how I teach, and if you like to purchase the premium product. So basic first, and then we go like a rumba 5, 6. When you slide to return, you lift up your left foot diagonally with the heel off the ground. Now this one will naturally stay on the ball of the foot and swivel in. At the same time, this one will swivel in as well, but on the heel. That's your right foot on the heel and your left foot on the ball. And you swivel in and your knees are inwards. Now you have to switcheroo. You have to go on the right on the ball of the foot and on the left on the heel, so you can turn out like that. So we're almost there. 1, 2. Right on the second one, 1. Imagine that your heel is shooting up that foot. So instead of keeping it down, as we did till now, you want to keep it up. So, hang 1. Don't worry about returning, I'll show it. And hit. Now, you come back on the heel and on the ball, inwards again. And then on the heel on the right and on the ball on the left to sit in the original position. Lastly, 2 things which are very important. When you go out, you transfer some of your weight and you're still here. You can do it on the spot, but it's not the same thing as moving your body and returning it back. Also, we stole this from Michael Jackson. Give some accents with your shoulders. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now we're giving a little bit of a with the finger snap, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Into your basic, 5, 6, 7. Let's go for number 2. This one is not that difficult, I would say. You twist in on the ball of your feet, stop, and then you want to shoot again with the ball of your foot, but the other one will go on the heel. So we have middle, right, middle, left. So middle is heels turning out and feet in together. Return. Then this one, ball of the foot turning out, and this one moving up on the heel. Take it slow, in, out, twist on the ball of the foot, take out the heel, and in. I know it doesn't look exactly the way I danced it. I'll show you the trick with the hips after the step. Repeat in, and then this one stays on the ball of the foot, and this one goes out on the heel. If you practice it slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, we pass through the center, and then we go to the right. Pass to the center, go to the right. When you go in now for your hip, push it in, push it left, like so. Push it in, push it right, push it back, in, push it right. It creates a little bit of a funkiness, and it fits so perfectly for any pachanga or any reggaeton or any hip hop song. You can really put this style of dancing inside and have a lot of fun. Without the salsa basics, of course, just these ones. So, ding, ding, ding. Out of the Michael Jackson, James Brown, and salsa, we have come to a conclusion to the lesson. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.